addition and the subtraction of two-digit numbers. And in this chapter, what we are going to learn? And in this chapter, we are going to learn about the story sums. Yes, क्या सीखने वाले हैं हम? Story sums. Right? So, what are the story sums? So, it's like that someone has tell you a story, कोई आपको story बता रहा है, and from that they are asking you the question. So don't worry, I will not write the whole story, but that story will about only 2 to 3 lines only. Okay. So let's see. Number 1, I am writing over here. There are 35 girls and 24 boys in class 2nd C. So how many students or children, you can say, how many children are there in our class? Okay, so once again we will read this. So whenever the story sum is given to you, at the time you just have to read it once. There are 35 girls, and where you will find the numbers, you have to just do the underline. 35 girls and 24 boys. How many boys are there? 24 boys and girls 35 in class 2nd C. How many children are there in the class? So जब आप ये क्वेश्चन रीड करोगे, एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू डिसाइड व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर. आपको क्या करना है इसमें? यू वांट टू डू एडिशन और एल्स सबट्रैक्शन, राइट? वी हैव नॉट लर्न द सबट्रैक्शन, बट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू द इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट दैट. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई कैन से दैट आई एम हैविंग द 5 चॉकलेट्स, राइट? अगर मेरे पास 5 चॉकलेट है, फ्रॉम दैट आई विल गिव 2 चॉकलेट टू अनदर पर्सन, राइट? मैंने अपनी 5 चॉकलेट में से 2 चॉकलेट किसी और को दे दी. यस, सो हाउ मेनी विल रिमेन टू बी? अब मेरे पास कितनी हो गई? यस, फ्रॉम 5 आई हैव गिवन 2, सो आई हैव नाउ 3 चॉकलेट्स. सो व्हाट यू हैव डन दिस? आपने इसमें सबट्रैक्शन किया. बट इफ आई विल से आई हैव 5 चॉकलेट्स एंड अनदर पर्सन गिव मी 3 चॉकलेट्स मोर, so I will say 5 with me and 3 he has given me. So total how many chocolates are there? Yes, we will count 8. So हमें जैसे क्वेश्चन आता है उसके बेस पे डिसाइड करना है. लेकिन गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज दिए हुए हैं, राइट? तो हमें टोटल चिल्ड्रन फाइंड आउट करने हैं. सो हम क्या करेंगे? इसमें एडिशन करेंगे. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एडिशन यू जस्ट हैव टू मेक सेंटेंसेस, एंड मेकिंग सेंटेंसेस that is the most important part of the story sum. Okay, so how you will make? So first of all you just have to look which number is given to you and which information is given to you. So 35 girls. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? Number of girls. Number of girls. Right? So you have to write in front of that only 35. And as we know that we are writing 2-digit numbers, so we have to write tens and ones as well. Now a number of girls, after that number of boys. So we will write number of boys. So number of boys क्या होंगे? Yes, that is 24. That is also given us. Now हम क्या करने वाले हैं? What we are going to do in this? Yes, we will do the addition over here. What we will do? Addition. Okay. So we will solve it first. 5 plus 4. So as we learned about the addition, 5 in your mind and 4 on your finger. So start counting forward. 6, 7, 8, 9. So you will write number 9 over here. Now move to the tens place. 3 plus 2. So 3 in your mind and 2 on your finger. So 4, 5. So here you will write 5. So your answer is 5, 9, 59. So what is that? We have to mention that also. So how many children are there? So we can write the total number of children. So we will write here number of children. Total number of children is 59. Okay. We'll see the next example. There are 50 chalk pieces in one box. How many? Yes, 50 chalk pieces in one box and 35 chalk pieces in another box. Right? So in the one box 50 chalk pieces are there and in another box 35 chalk pieces are there. So what we have to find? How many chalk pieces are there in all. Right? So what we have to find? Total how many chalks are there. Okay. So as I said, first you have to highlight these numbers. 50 chalk pieces are there and in the one box, and in another box 35 chalk pieces are there. So what we will write here? Number of chalk pieces in one box. Yes, how many chalk pieces are there? Yes, 50. And next is 35 chalk pieces in another box. So we'll write number of chalk pieces in another box. So we have to do addition over here, right? So we will write the numbers 35. So we will write 3, 5, 35 over here, and yes, tens and ones is mandatory to write here. Okay. So number of chalk pieces in one box, that is 50. Number of chalk pieces in another box, that is 35. Now what we have to do? Now we will add and afterwards we will write the answer. So here 0 plus 5. As I told you before that whenever you will add any number with the 0, you will get the same answer. So 0 plus 5. So हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? Number 5. Now 5 plus 3. So 5 in your mind and 3 on your finger. 6, 7, 8. So here you will write 8. So now you will come to know total chalk pieces in the both boxes. दोनों boxes में मिला के कितने हो गए? 85. So here you will write total number of chalk pieces in all. Okay. And at the end you can write the sentence, there are 85 chalk pieces in all. Okay. So this is how you have to solve the story sums. Okay. Next example. In a garden, there are 30 mango trees, 40 banana trees, and 28 apple trees. So now you will be shocked, ma'am, you told about the two numbers here, three numbers are there. One is about mango tree, 40 banana trees and 28 apple tree, right? So what you have to do? Yes, not to worry. You have already solved this type of sums before. Okay, हमने 3 नंबर के एडिशन ऑलरेडी सीखे हुए हैं. These are the same only. In a garden there are 30 mango trees, 40 banana trees and 28 apple trees. So how many trees are there in all? हमें क्या करना है, तो देखना है कि टोटल हाउ मेनी ट्रीज आर देयर. सो फॉर दैट वी विल राइट हियर नंबर ऑफ मैंगो ट्रीज. Number of mango trees, that is 30. We have not highlighted over here. We have to highlight these numbers. So that will be easy to solve the sums. So 30 mango trees. So we will write 30 over here. Next 40 banana trees. So we will write number of banana trees. And that is 40, right? So we will write 40 over here. Then 28 apple trees. So we will write number of apple trees. Number of apple trees, that is 28. Okay, so we will put the sign of addition over here and we will solve this sums. Okay. Here I have not written tens and ones, that you have to write over here. Okay. So 0 plus 0 plus 8. So same number will come 8 and 3 plus 4. So 4 in your mind and 3 on your finger. 5, 6 and 7. Now 7 in your mind and 2 on your finger, that is 9. So we'll write 9 over here. So total how many trees are there? 98. So हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पे total number of trees. So total number of trees are 98. Okay, so here I completed the topic that is about the story sum, and we had learned how to read the story, how we have to highlight the numbers which is given in the story, and how we have to make sentence and solve them. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.